Alright, finishing it up. We're done here. I just gotta lower him down, her down. Oh, so I gotta put this away. But yes, sir. Look at this thing. Yeah, they look good. It went in so easy, it was insane. This side, much worse to get off than I remembered. But same thing, just as easy, like so easy to get on. There's just nothing in the way. The mounts are basically nothing but thin little things of metal, but they're thick, so they'll hold. You don't need all that rubber. You don't need all that rubber. Alright, I don't know where we're at, what is getting used of what so far, but knock sensors. Swapping them out because I thought they were bad. They probably are, but there's a chance they're not, and it's just this fucking wire not attached right here because somebody used wire nuts on this truck. Thank you, man. Let me show you what the fuck I'm talking about. Wow, yeah, pretty fucking tragic. So that's where I'm at. Sensor's already in. It's the fucking clean black thing in here. And that's not fucking cool. So I'm gonna pop this off and put these together. And then that popped off pretty fucking easy. And then I'm just gonna fucking put it back on. And I'm gonna get to that later. Posted up for a minute, you know, we're not going nowhere, so I'm big chilling. I gotta, I get right for a second. First sip, I hear what sounds like a metal detector. Beep, beep. Twice. Dan the man, Jixer Dan, pulls up on a motherfucking skizzy scooter. Huh? He got a fishing pole, so he's down there right now. Look at this motherfucker. This thing goes like 28 miles an hour, I think. Downhill. But, look at the square footage of this. What are the odds that a bird shits on your fucking scooter, bro? It's tiny. That was almost you, for sure, if you were on this motherfucker. Insane. Let's check him out, though. Oh, yeah. Oil's on his ass. Fishing with oil's honestly awful. He goes for the lure so much because he loves the water. Oil! Come here. Come here. He's getting a little tired. You know, a little tired there, bud? It was a decent run. It's a decent run. And he takes the best route for him. He cools him off, but the mud is so thick, dude. It get deep right there, huh? Fuck. Shit.
He's about to scrape the towel back so he can fucking...
Just do it all over the seat. Huh? You did that just for me? You did that just for me, dude? Thank you so much. All over my clean shorts, bro. That's alright. Fucking goof.
Hey.
As I sit here and double layer the back seat, even though the top is disgusting and he already rolled around in mud, he got in my seat. Man, I love this mud. The things I do for him. Come on, Bubba. Hop down. Or go around. You know where you gotta go, bro. You gotta go in mommy's seat. Yep, that's where. At least the outside of the truck looks cool, so car shows nobody will know. Unfortunately, I do want that dude in blue to check out my truck one day, so I'm gonna have to do something about some of this interior you're fucking destroying. It's soaked, bro. It's soaked. Hey, yo. Let's fucking... I don't know if any of that got on the phone. I hope not. Because that is fucking thick shit, Jit. No, come here. Fucking gates run away. Gosh, darn it. Me and Dan just fixed the gate today, and now it fucking runs away. He was all hyped. He's like, oh, it auto closes. But it goes just past this and just enough to let it go all the fucking way. But this is a cup. The reason it looks like the viscosity and also almost the color of cough syrup is because it's tranny full. Shouty thick. And I have a tranny leak. It's off of a line and it's tiny as fuck. Like, I'm talking about, like, dude, it's like a barely dripping whatsoever. But at the same time, I did a drop kit, and since the drop kit, I have not added training fluid, and I pulled the transmission, or I pulled the rear end, which pulled the drive shaft out of the transmission. Hence, you know, making me lose a little transmission fluid. So I've been low on transmission fluid for a little bit. Unfortunately, this is not going well. Nice. You do what you can do sometimes. Do I have a funnel somewhere? Probably, but not here, so that's what matters. This is the fact that the funnel's not here where I need it, so we're in there. It took some of that. The thing is that it's definitely gonna smoke. I just got hit with a light. That's crazy, bruv. How are they doing that? Oh, he's in it. I'm gonna have to fucking grab his water. I'm gonna pour this water all over the exhaust so it doesn't do nothing crazy. Just trying to get the transmission fluid off because that's hella. Huh? I got it, but it spilled everywhere. So I was just pouring some water on the exhaust so it doesn't catch on fire. Because there's a lot of transmission fluid on it. There's no funnel. It was straight. Yeah. I mean, it's not like it hasn't before. You've been there. You get it. What are you guys doing? Dude, if you guys say getting a bottle, I'd have been fucking pissed. But, have fun. Oh, yeah. I'll make noise for you. I'm gonna make some noise for you. Don't you worry. Yep, C-Boy, yeah. He gets it. Some noise, see boys. Booty hole is toys. Oh, fuck yeah.